Tired of your Kvcore looking like this, with duplicate leads cluttering your system and costing you time? Let's clean things up. First, log into your Kvcore account and use the global search bar at the top of the screen to find one of the duplicate leads you want to merge. I'm searching for a contact named John Doe. Once you've located the contact, click on their name to access their profile page. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots, or the More Options menu, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select the Merge Contact option. This will initiate the merge process. A new window will pop up. This is where you'll search for the duplicate contact you want to merge with the first one. Again, use the search bar to find the duplicate. Let's search for the other John Doe contact. Kvcore will display a list of potential matches. Carefully review the contact details to ensure you've selected the correct duplicate. Once you found the right one, click the radio button next to that contact's name. Finally, Kvcore will ask you to confirm which contact record should be the primary record, the one that retains all the information. Choose the primary record, and then click the Merge button to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully merged your leads in Kvcore.